Hey folks, so in today's video we'll check out how to install the 407 ETR transponder. So according to them, this is how you need to do it. So you need to clean the mirror behind your rear view screen or rear view mirror and stick it up there. But if you don't like your transponder behind the on the windshield like me, because one for a fact that it's gonna be on the way of the rear view mirror, because when you adjust or something it's gonna hit the transponder. For me personally, it's mainly because I don't like the look of the transponder on the windshield. That's mainly it. So in this guide I'm just going to show you where are the other places that you can install this transponder on your worktop, right? So one location is up here on the dash, but unfortunately I have my speakers up here, so I won't be able to install here. So if you have a blank space up here and it's not if there is nothing blocking your way, I think this is one of the places that you can put your transponder, because most of these new cars or even the older ones have a navigation or infotainment system up here, so you can probably hide it behind this. Another location that you can put is on the dashboard on the passenger side. You can install in the corner, and again it's gonna be in one side of the dashboard, and it's still going to look odd, and I don't like it being there either. So one place that you can put is right behind the combi, so you can place it right over here. But again, for those folks who have HUD where you have a small display shown up here, it's still not a wise idea. So I would suggest you stick it up on the side or on the passenger side, which is again a pain if you're like me and you don't want anything on the dashboard. So you have two options. If you have a HUD up here, you can install it here on either side, or you can install it on any of the dashboard side corners, on the passenger side or on the driver side. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to install right behind the combi, the instrument cluster, because I don't have any HUD or any of those blocking, and it's once I install it up there, it's not on my view. That's the most important thing for me personally. So how do you install this? So what you got to do is it's a Velcro with a 3M sticker. So what you got to do is peel off the stickers. There you go. Yes, and it's basically a Velcro. See, it's not stuck there forever, and you can, yeah, it comes off. See, there you go. So stick it up there. And what you do is this is for an ETR, so you take it up there and press it firmly so it sticks, and voila, you're done. So this is how you can install your 407 ETR. This is the best place in my opinion, because when you drive, it's not there on the dashboard. It doesn't block your view. It's pretty big. I mean, it's the size of my palm. Imagine that thing over here. It's gonna look very odd on your windshield. So that's my favorite position. That's what she said. But yeah, you can choose any of the sides, passenger or driver side, if you have an HUD. Otherwise, that's how we do it.